Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training, and here we are back into our precast or our multidiscipline template. I'm learning this thing and it has some good things about it, and I'm trying to get along with it. But by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I've added some more bigger doors here, and I've got my level 1 architecture pretty much done here. So I'm going to go into my floor plan here. So we've got our room set aside, bathrooms, and we're going to finish our architectural out. But I want to go in this exercise to explain to you how these parts work. So basically what happened here when we generated these in the precast template. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, support this channel. Um, Helps us keep this thing going. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm learning just as well as you are. I like this module, it's pretty good, but I'm learning it. So what happens with when you generate these pieces or these parts here, what happens is they generate into assemblies. And so here, all your assemblies will compile under here. So if I click this, these are all of the different wall sections, the wall types here. And then they can be broken up. We've done assemblies before. So I got this one wall here, and what happens is you expand this and all these views are generated. So just for an example, let's look at this one. So here, if you select this wall, you will be able to go into precast here and you add reinforcement. You get 2 layers, 1 layer, or however many layers you want. You want counter bars. You can go U shape or L shape. Say L for here. Let's say OK. And now that's generated a reinforcement for that piece. Now once that's done, if I go in a wireframe, find view, and I'll go in a wireframe here, you can see that reinforcement placed in that piece of panel. So I'll go back out here into my texture or shader view, and there's that piece. So, and then what happens, you can select that piece also on the precast. You can create a shop drawing here. So you can do a custom fabric sheet here with this guy. And this way you can design whatever layout you want here. So for instance, if I did a custom for that one, well, I'm going to leave that for now. I'll do that in another explanation or another video. So then you will generate here your shop drawing for this sheet. So that drawing is being generated, and that is part number, let's see which one is that. Okay, so I'm going to select this one here, precast, shop drawing, and that will generate a drawing for me. And the good thing about this, it does everything for you. See, there's that drawing. There's your precast panel. There's a 3D view. There's a section view, and then you have your parts list here. You can move this stuff around and adjust it as you want. But there's all your reinforcement here. And then here we've got our material, our volume here. Should be precast concrete, and then you can adjust these things as well. So I might want to go in here and clean this up for you. These can be moved around. And then there's the sheet, that's the panel number here. So You can just, however you want to lay out your top ticket, just basically do this here, and then you can change the scale here. We'll say activate this view, and I might want to bring this up to something larger. Maybe not that large, but say let's drop it down to a 1/4 inch. There you go. And move that there. So this, what this does, it'll generate all your sheets and give you all of the information. That's your rebar number. Okay, tells you the total, so it gives you all your information for that sheet, for that panel. So here, and what happens is this is number, let's see, that's number 65. So if I go down to 65 and I expand that, and now that's what the sheet will generate in views. You can also select this. So if I go to number 2, you can select it this way and go create assembly views, and you'll get all these views. So if I went OK here, it'll generate all of these different views. Now we've done assemblies before, so I'm not going to go through that. I just wanted to show you where we are with this. I'll go back into my 3D view here. And so what will happen is you have to go through all these. Say if I take this one for instance here. Now this has an opening in it, and this is number 03. And then I might go back into precast. I'll say reinforcement. And for corner bars, I'll make L bars. And then I'll go OK. It's generating my reinforcement. And then I'll go into my shop drawing here. It's generating my drawing. And there's my drawing. So if I zoom in here, I'll see basically all of the parts, the lifting parts and everything. Didn't lay the sheet up that well, but you can adjust this. So it's really a good tool here. So there's my opening, and there's all of my reinforcing there, and there's the weight of the piece. So you get a lot of good information here. So we're going to move on. I just want to show you what happens with the pieces here. So I'm going to continue with this. I'm still in my architectural here. I'm going to continue with this. I'm not going to do all these pieces right now. That can be done later, but I'm going to go back into my architectural and go ahead and do my rooms. This is going to be an office space, bathroom, and lunchroom and conference room. So might want to start on my ceiling here. So I'm going to go just for the electrical purpose. I'll get started with that here. So I will go to my level 1 ceiling, which is here. And I'll go to architecture, ceiling. It's going to be a 2x2, and I'll go there, there, and there. And there's my ceiling. Probably got 2 in that one. Sorry. Yep, and there's my ceiling. Now I might want to look at that in section view to see where I am. Let's go back into that 3D view. So we want to move around here, and there's our ceiling. Might want to bring it up a little bit depending on where it is, because we're going to have our mechanical equipment going through there. So I'm going to do a quick little section through here just to see where we are with our ceiling. So I'm going to drop a section there and there. It's going to be that way. So there's our ceiling. 9 feet is pretty good. Let's see if we go at 10. What happens if we go up to 10 feet here and go back into our architecture 3D model, 3D view. So there's our 10-foot ceiling there. And I want to select all of these maybe. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'm going to move on with this. I really had some issues figuring this out because it was a little difficult for me. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Just moving along with this architectural or this multi-discipline template, and these are all of our windows, all of our all of our panels here. So that's panel 1, and the identical panels will have the same number. So these are all identical, so they would have the same number. So in this case here, if I go to 1, I'm going to go precast, and I want to create a shop drawing here. Nope. I want to go here. I want to do here. We'll do my reinforcement. Go OK. It's generating the rebar. And then I'm going to do a shop drawing. So this is drawing 001, which is going to be maybe, I don't know, a lot of these are 001. So there you go. And we just adjust as per. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. We're going to move on with this guy. Let me go back and look at my ceiling, level 1. Okay. So hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, and everybody be safe, and talk to you soon. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this.